Have you ever strolled down a brightly lit street at night and wondered, where did this all begin? Which country was the very first to light up its streets? Well, get ready to travel back in time with me as we uncover the fascinating history of streetlights and how our cities went from pitch black to brilliantly illuminated. Our story starts way back in 1667, in the bustling city of London, England. This is where the first known public street lighting system was introduced. But forget about the bright, electric lights we know today. These were simple oil lamps. The primary reason for installing them was to make the streets safer after dark. The city officials hoped that lighting up the night would help reduce the high rates of crime that plagued London's dark alleyways and thoroughfares. These early lamps were known as parish lamps because each local parish was responsible for maintaining them, and it was a tough, manual job. Every single evening, men known as lamplighters would have to walk the streets, carrying long poles with wicks to light each and every lamp by hand. It was a painstaking process, but it was the very first step toward illuminating our urban world. So, how exactly did these primitive street lights work? The earliest versions burned either olive oil or, more commonly, whale oil. The oil was held in a reservoir with a wick that would be lit to produce a flame. These lamps were then mounted on wooden or iron poles along the main streets. They cast a soft, flickering glow, which was certainly better than complete darkness, but it was a far cry from the powerful light we're used to. Even with this innovative system in place, many parts of the city remained shrouded in darkness. The light from a single oil lamp didn't travel very far, leaving large pockets of shadow where accidents could still happen and criminals could still hide. It was a noble effort, but the technology had a long way to go. For over a century, oil lamps were the standard. But then, a new innovation came along that would change everything: gaslighting. In 1807, again in London, the first gas streetlights were demonstrated along Pall Mall. These new lamps burned coal gas, which was piped through a network under the streets. The result, a much brighter, more consistent, and more reliable light than the old, flickering oil lamps. People were amazed. Gaslight was a revolutionary technology, and it quickly caught on. Soon, cities all across Europe and the United States began tearing out their old oil lamps and installing extensive networks of gaslighting. For the first time, city streets at night were genuinely bright, transforming urban life and ushering in a new era of evening activity. But the age of gaslight wouldn't last forever. The next great leap forward was just around the corner, and it was powered by electricity. The real game changer arrived in 1879, when Thomas Edison perfected his design for a practical and long-lasting incandescent light bulb. This invention was nothing short of miraculous. Almost immediately, cities saw the potential. Places like New York, Paris, and, of course, London began experimenting with electric streetlights. These new lights were incredibly bright, much safer than the open flames of gas lamps, and far easier to maintain. There was no need for lamplighters anymore. A whole network of lights could be turned on with the flip of a single switch. This revolution in lighting had a profound impact on society. People could now work, shop, and socialize safely well into the night. The modern 24-hour city was born. From those humble, hand-lit oil lamps to the smart, energy-efficient LED systems of today, the evolution of street lighting has been truly incredible. Modern streetlights are marvels of technology. Many are automated, adjusting their brightness based on the time of day or even traffic conditions. Some are powered by solar panels, making them environmentally friendly and self-sufficient. They do more than just light our way. They enhance public security, improve traffic safety, and even add to the aesthetic beauty of our urban landscapes. They are an essential, and often overlooked, part of our daily lives. So, the next time you find yourself walking down a beautifully illuminated street after sunset, take a moment to appreciate it. Remember that it all began with those dedicated lamplighters in London, over 350 years ago, lighting up the night one oil lamp at a time. It's a brilliant piece of our shared history. I hope you enjoyed this journey through time. If you found this story illuminating, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing history facts. Thanks for watching.